Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to Python Puzzles. I'm going to give you 3 coding challenges or puzzles every episode. And to try and simulate what life's like for a real developer, I'm going to give you some existing code to kind of base your answer on. If you stick with this long enough and become a professional developer, you're unlikely to just walk in and be there in day one when they're writing the application and it's a blank screen in front of you. There'll likely be thousands of lines of existing code that your team's already written. So you kind of have to base your answers to whatever jobs you're given on the existing code. You have to copy the existing style. So before every puzzle, I'll give you some example code. It will be something similar to what the puzzle's asking you to do. And you have to code in the sort of same style as that, just our way of simulating this little part of the development job. It'll be easy, it'll be fun. I'm going to take you from being absolute beginner, just printing text on the screen and getting user input, to more complicated stuff. Most beginners start off just with console programs, so that's what we're going to focus on in this course. I hope to make you a passable coder by the end of it. At least you'll know all the fundamentals, I'd hope. I'm also twinning this course with a C# course. I'm a professional Python and C# developer. So I thought it'd be a good idea to have the Python puzzle be the same as the C# puzzle. So Python puzzle 1 is the same as the C# puzzle 1. So the answer's the same, but the coding language is different. So this will be like a really good way for you to learn 2 languages at the same time. I'll give you a link to the C# puzzle channel at the end of the video or in the description. I'm also going to introduce to you Python virtual environments and GitHub desktop. So an awful lot of YouTubers they'll just show you the code and you'll be kind of just using the system-wide stuff rather than having every puzzle in its own virtual environment like you would in a real job. So I'm going to take you through virtual environments. I'm also going to show you how to use a Git IDE. Like I'm just going to use GitHub desktop because it's fairly easy, but there are other ones out there. An awful lot of other YouTubers will just show you how to do stuff in the command line, which you can use, but when you're working in a team of 3, 4, 10 people, it's just too complicated to kind of track everyone's Git commits and stuff. Everyone uses a Git client to do so. So you may as well just use it now, even although you're just using it to download the code. Anyway, I hope this will be a nice fun way for you to learn the languages, and it'll get you out of tutorial hell. You get to use your brain, get to play about with the code. Anyway, let's get started.